welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys watched our last video where we read I Love My Robot, and today we are reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. This is an elephant and piggy book, so let's get started. Oh, there's some sneezing elephants. Elephants sneezing. Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Gerald! Oh, so his name is Gerald? I'm guessing that's Piggy. What do you want to do today? I want, yes? What? A ball, a swim, a hat? I think he's gonna sneeze. Choo! Yep, I'm right. Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! Whoa, he's sneezing a lot. I cannot stop. Achoo! Sneezing. Uh-oh. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Huh? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Okay. We try to sneeze more softly, and then pigs makes us sneeze. Sorry. Yep, that's. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. Oh no! Look, Gerald's crying. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Oh, Piggy's got a helmet and he's about to growl. Goodbye, Gerald. Huh? Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig, so I was trying to sneeze. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Sud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. Oh no. Looks like you need some medicine and some hot soup. A cold? You're sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. I mean, if you don't like going to school, then I guess. Piggy, great news! I have a cold! Good for you. Oops. Okay, you have to remember to have a handkerchief or something when you blow your nose, or cover your mouth when you sneeze, or else you'll be like Piggy. Now he's like, do you see the Easter egg? It's pigeon! It's the pigeon! And Colorful Bunny. If we ever get those books, we'll be sure to do a read aloud. But anyways, that was Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. So I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe, and ding the little bell for notifications so you get an early update for new videos. So, Assalamualaikum, alhamdulillah, we're done. Bye bye.